The another resource person, Dr. Masilamani from Department of Geography, Bharathidasan University. He is a university professor. He is well-known academician, geographer in Tamil Nadu. I think mostly MTech. If you want to study MTech course, you have to go to Bharathidasan University. In geography, they are the only person providing MTech in GIS. So they have a lot of resource. Technically also, there are so many instruments are available. Very nice place to study. If you want to further, after finishing this MSc, even you can join MTech also. So from that department, Dr. Masilamani is going to take the another session. Enjoy yourself. Masilamani sir, the class is yours, please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Correct, sir. Yes, I am audible. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Yes, my sound is okay. Yes. Then my face. If you want my face, I will show. Otherwise, I will start video. So,
Let them aware of you, sir.
yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
The
Thank you, sir.
important place where you are. So they also
Okay. Okay.
know that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Karturajan, sir, given an opportunity to share my knowledge in the field of cartography. So cartography is a familiar subject on those days to till date. On those days, you just imagine last 5,000 years, 6,000 years back, for Greek period, Roman period, then Arab period, how they started the maps. Number one. Number two, what is the chronological development of map makings? On those days, animal skins used for preparing the maps. But now what happened after that animal skin, then wood based maps, then clay maps are introduced, then paper maps, then paper maps converted to digital format maps. So this is the chronological development of map making. So cartography means is preparing the maps or map making. It's called cartography. So now see the one by one how the cartography checks are started. So number one, what is the meaning of cartography? Is a art and science technology. So art and science technology. Art, that means without measurement, is called art. The science means with measurement. So what is the approximate value, approximate height about Masilamani? So approximately 160. Approximately 160 is art. So exactly 164.2 is my height. That is a science. So what is the approximate weight? So approximately 80 kg, exactly 76.5, like that. So this is the difference between art and science. So cartography is a art or science. So an artist have full freedom. They draw the maps, they draw the pictures like butterfly based, some butterfly in the anyone seed side. He draw the information about how they draw the butterfly or how they draw the birds. These have full freedom for artists. But what about the cartographer? There is no freedom. So the hands fully locked. He use only the scientific way maps. So art and science. So natural features is art. For example, Kaveri River, Ganga River. These are all natural features. So natural features, the imagination is how the river is flowing. Like that is art. What is the length of the Ganga River? Where the Ganga River origin? Similarly, Kaveri River, what is the length of the Kaveri River? Where the Kaveri River origin is a science. So just to think about Himalayas, just to imagine Himalayas, that is art. But when the science, what is the height of the Himalayas? Then what are the major rivers are started from in Himalayas, origin places? So this is the science. So how to art areas converted to the map format? That is called the science. So cartography is art and science expressing our feelings through the maps. So that is the natural and social features of the earth. Number one. Number two, so cartography is a map making. That's all. So map making means map prepare. For example, how to prepare coffee, how to prepare tea. So what are the ingredients required for preparing coffee or tea? Or what are the ingredients required for prepare the vegetable biryani or mutton biryani or chicken biryani, like that. So that is the different. So like that, so map making, how to prepare the maps. What are the ingredients required for preparing maps? For scale, pencil, eraser, paper. These are all the some ingredients for preparing the maps. But what are the ingredients required for preparing the digital maps? Only the laptop is enough. Then some software is required for preparing the maps. So this is the difference between the on those days maps how, but at present what is the maps. Then what is the meaning of map? Is a graphical representation of selected natural and man-made features on the earth surface. So graphical representation of natural and man-made features. The natural and man-made features, how to show in the map format. If you are show the map format, some scales are there. So you are prepare one map with the scale, that time only. So cartography is a science. You are preparing the map without scale is art. So with the scale is a science, without scale is art. So here you see, so one map is there, but without scale. Yes, here scale is there, okay, it's a science. So it's a small scale, then it's a large scale. Some difference I will show next one. So graphical representation of selected natural and man-made features on the earth surface. How to show with the scale. You show the information with the scale. This is called map. Yes, are you clear? Dear students, are you clear? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now see, last few minutes back I told, so on those days, clay maps, they are used the clay maps. Babylonian maps are very, very important. Just you think about 2300 BC. So how these kind of maps is helpful? See this kind of river, okay, river how clay maps, then clay maps converted to the paper maps. Then the direction see east, then the west with the scale. Then mountain area, yes, is a mountain area. Yes, here also we are showing the mountain area. Yes, here the river, okay, river. Yes, mountain area. Here see mountain area. Yes, the mountain area is also so. So Babylonian maps, these are the Babylonian based maps. Then stone based maps with bar scales are used. Some statue, temple plan. Then see again the world map with the scale they are used. Then direction based maps, either where the direction is there, north, south, east, west direction based maps are prepared. So that's these one are Greek maps. Then come to Roman maps. The Roman peoples only the think about the road maps. So here's the entire Roman areas, the parallel routes. Parallel means like this, only the maps, horizontal maps based. So there only introduced the Asia to North Africa, the maps. Introduce the maps, Asia and North Africa. First introduced 335 CE. So these called pictorial maps. So what is the meaning of pictorial maps or pictorial symbols? The picture oriented maps. Yeah, I think maybe for exam point of view, ask what is the meaning of pictorial maps? Pictorial maps is nothing but the picture oriented maps is called pictorial maps, right? So then at present what happened? These are all some maps. So how they are showing the maps? Here see what are the parts of map. So border area, then title where you are fixed the title, then scale where you are fixed. So like this, here also see India, yes is a title. Then the states, Chhattisgarh, okay, this is Chhattisgarh, Odisha. So how they are writing? So India is see bold letter. Then India states compared to this letter, what is the size? See. So compared to this one, Maharashtra capital Mumbai, compared to this size, see the Mumbai, how the size. So big size, medium size, then small size. Right? Then again, see the Bay of Bengal, what is the size? So compared to this one size, how is there? But we are practicing, we are a cartographer, we are a geographer, sometimes we are forgotten. So here using the big size letter, the title goes to very small size letters also. Here using. Then north point, where the north point you are fixed, then scale, everything we are practicing. So here see the map elements. So what is the meaning of yes border? Then where you are fixed the title, then scale where you are fixed, and then north point where you are fixed. Where is the places where the here is the place is there means okay here you fix. Otherwise here place is there means you fix the here. Then inset map you are fixing. So this is the base neat line. Yes, inside is a neat line. Then border area. Then title where you are fixed. Then legend, how to mark the legend. Then scale where you are fixed the scale. Right? Okay. The scales, anyone please give what is the meaning of scale? How to define scale because you are MSc geography students. Any idea about scale? Anyone? I think 30 participants are there. Anyone? How to define scale? Monica. Any idea? Please, anyone? How to define scale? Because you are a MSc, after completing BSc Geography, you are entered the MSc program. Yes, I am audible. Dear participants. Mr. Revant. Monica. Yes, anyone? Anil Kumar. Apurva Rajakumaran. Revant. Mahalakshmi. Anyone? Hello? Yes, I am audible. Yes, I think Apurva. So please open your mouth. Open. Please speak. Apurva.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Good evening. Yes, please open your face. Then you please interact. That time only is a good. Yes, Apurva.
My web camera is not
Okay,
working.
okay. Yes, yes. Please tell about a scale.
So to represent a larger area in a piece of paper in the form of maps, we make use of scales to represent, for example, 500 kilometer in a small unit such as 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter for that.
Okay, okay, good. Yes, Logeswar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Lokeswar. Okay, anyway. So here, scale, that means see relationship between any 2 points on the ground, the same 2 points in the papers. So graphical representation of any 2 points on the ground. For any 2 points means, for example, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, any 2 points, Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The relationship between distance on a map and corresponding distance on the ground. For Kashmir to Kanyakumari, how much kilometer? Then how the same 2 point you measure, you source in your map. Whether you are enlarge or reduce the information. So this is called the scale. So map scale refers to the relationship between distance on a map, then the corresponding distance on the ground. Then scale, there are 3 to 4 divisions are there. Number one is RF, that means the representative fraction. Representative fraction means 1 is to 1 lakh, 1 is to 50,000, 1 is to 2 lakhs 50,000, like that, we giving the values. For example, 1 is to 1 lakh, that means 1 centimeter on the ground equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So 1 is to 1 lakh means 1 lakh centimeters equal to 1 kilometer. So that means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 centimeter on the map, just you are showing 1 centimeter on the map. So 1 centimeter means, so up to this is a 1 centimeter. Up to this is a 1 centimeter. So from Coimbatore to Trichy, 1 centimeter, okay, you are showing 1 centimeter. And how you are showing in your map side? Originally, more than 200 kilometers are there. So this is the representative fraction. So 1 is 50,000 means 1 centimeter is equal to half kilometer. Then verbal scale. You are speaking 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer, 1 centimeter is equal to half kilometer. Like that you are speaking. That is a verbal or statement scales. Then This is the scale bar. I think your UG level, you know the practicals. So kilometer scale, then mile scale, then feet scales are there. Okay, right. Then just examples for large scale maps. Entire Coimbatore district large scale map means the information's large information. Information's large, but area is a small area. Right? Information's large. For example, see the streets, road maps, then river in Coimbatore district, rivers, major rivers, we are marking. The national highways, district roads, village roads, everything we are marking. So all information is there, but small area, but detailed information is called large scale map. Small scale map means large area, but information is a very less. Information is a very less. See, only district, the district detail information, but in small scale areas, so how we are saying. But in practically, if you are attend the interviews, anybody is asked some question to you. So India map is a small scale map or large scale map? Or Andhra Pradesh is a small scale map or large scale map? Or West Bengal is a small scale map or large scale map? Sometimes they are asked some questions to you. So what is your answer? Anyone?
The small scale map.
Which one?
India, when we are showing, it's a small scale map because we are showing it in a very large area. So we need a small scale for that. And when we are
Okay,
showing this,
India is a small scale. Yes. Then
then if we go like some area region wise, suppose some area.
West Bengal is a large scale map. Your answer yes. West Bengal, Kashmir, these are all large scale map. Yes or no?
Sir, basically when the scale is like when we reduce it for smaller area, when we are depicting, then it is a large scale map. So
Yes.
entire
Good.
West Bengal or entire state, when we are showing, I think it should go with a small scale map only.
Yes. Oh, okay. Yes, good. So here, see, if you are go to the interview, last year UPSC interview, the same questions. So what is the answer? See, some interview panel, they are asked, yes, what is your favorite subject? Yes, my favorite subject, cartography. Okay. Do you know about the scale? Yes, sir, I know very well. Okay. So, you are from India. India map, whether your large scale map or small scale map, like that. They told, sir, is a small scale map, like that. Okay. So, but automatically he is rejected. He crossed everything. Interview, examinations, everything's over, then final interview. Why I'm saying? So finally, they suggest, so we are asked question to you whether India map is a small scale or large scale. But you are after 1 month, you are enter the IAS officer, you are join IAS officer. So your answer is wrong. Why, sir? Yes, the answer is if you compare, that time only your answer is okay. I am telling only one area. I am giving only one option. India map is a small scale or large scale. But how you know small scale? If, for example, I will give world map and India map. If I give world map and India map, which one is a small scale, which one is a large scale map? So that time you give answer, yes, India map is a small scale. Sorry, India world map is a small scale. India map is a large scale. So if you are compare, that time only you give the correct answer. Otherwise, again I am asking, Coimbatore district, yes, this one Coimbatore district. So Coimbatore district, here is a large scale map. Is one of the district area in Tamil Nadu, is one of the district. I am giving is a large scale map. But interview, I am asked same. I give the Coimbatore one map, Coimbatore district map. Then in Coimbatore, any one taluk name, for example, Pollachi. So that time I asked, yes, Coimbatore taluk map and district map. There are two options there. So district map is a small scale, taluk map is a large scale. Again I will go. Again I will give for taluk map and village map. That type taluk map is a small scale, village map is a large scale. So if you compare, that time only your answer is correct. Are you clear? Monica?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. So this is the idea about the large scale and small scale. So if anyone asks, okay, Maharashtra is a small scale or large scale, sir, please give one more data. That time only I will give answer. Otherwise, Maharashtra, you give the answer, Maharashtra is a large scale. Means how? It's not possible, sir. Please give one more. Whether we are comparing Maharashtra with India means, okay, Maharashtra is a large scale map. Whether we are comparing Maharashtra with Nagpur, sorry, Mumbai with Nagpur means, okay, which one is the small scale, which one is a large scale. All right. Now come to your point of view, map generalization. So generalization, some principles are there. Generalization, general informations only. So here is the International Cartographic Association defines more informations are there. Don't want more information. I want selected information. So what is your title? The title oriented assignment is enough. For book, is there so much informations are there? For example, is the book. In this book, so many informations are there. Sustainable resource of spatial challenges using geospatial technology. So sustainability of resources, spatial challenges using geospatial technology is a book. But I want only my title. My guide give one title. Yes, your title is a map generalization means. So here full cartography books. I want only generalization means you take only generalization, you read it. So that is called the simplification. So how your course coordinator doing the fantastic job. So he classified everything. So generalization principles. Yes, last 1 hour back on madam, morning on madam, then afternoon on madam, like that. This is the principle generally. So simplified the information. The selection and simplified the representation of detail. So here see what are the information generalization inputs they needs. They require some point of view. So I want only the Chennai metropolitan area, Chennai metropolitan city maps. Some Kashmir students ask, sir, only I want the Srinagar maps. Maharashtra people ask, I want only the Nagpur area maps. So that is called some needs. The needs based preparing the maps. So I want only the Kaveri river starts from Kudagu Hills in Karnataka to then before enter seas or ocean in Nagapattinam. So I need only the river maps. Then Logeswar asking I only transport map. Then Marishwari asking only the lake, entire India, how many lakes based maps. So this is called the needs based preparing the maps. So then the geographical data, here density, distribution, size and diversity. So for example, density, population density maps. Then temperature, okay, temperature based maps. Rainfall, okay, rainfall based maps. Then distribution, overall the Earth's surface, how they are distributed. Temperature, best example, temperature. So now is a March, April month, the temperature distribution. How in Kashmir area temperature, how the Kanyakumari belt temperature. Go to global level, 90-degree angle, 90-degree north latitudes, what's the temperature? 70-degree latitudes, what is the temperature? Yes, this is called the distribution. Then size, I will show the next one. Then reliability, then rules. How the reliability? Yes, comfortable maps. Readability. So readability, how to read the maps. Big size. For example, in my face is there. My face, I want on bindi. I will put only, my face is a round face, means I will put the big size bindi. My face is like mango structure format. I will put only small bindi. So that time, that is the readability. Then time. If you are preparing the large scale map, it will take more time. Please understand. If you prepare the large scale map, it will take more time because you writing all kind of information in the map format. But small scale map is a very easy. You draw the India outline map within 2 seconds. I will draw the India outline map. But you draw one village map, it's a very difficult. So village map is a large scale map. India map is a small scale maps, right? But it will take time. You prepare the large scale map, it will take time. You prepare large scale map, expenditures, more expenditure. You ask, yes, please give more money. Then how we are using the techniques. Then what are the characteristics? Already I told to you, 1:250,000 scale map is there. For 1:250,000 means 1 centimeter is equal to 2.5 kilometer. Because 1 lakh centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1:250,000 means 1 centimeter is equal to 2.5 kilometer in your map. 1 centimeter on your map is equal to 2.5 kilometer on the ground, right? So 1:250,000 scale map. How you can source in 1:50,000 scale? 1:250,000 where? Then 1:50,000 where? So how to reduce half kilometer? 1 centimeter on the map is equal to half kilometer on the ground. How you can source? It's a very difficult. So that time extreme reduction. How to reduce or reduction the maps? So that time, what are the principles are followed by the cartographer? So that time only, what is your title? Because small scale map 1:250,000. So 1:250,000. They are mentioning the rivers, mentioning the canals, mentioning the transport lines, mentioning the mountains. Yes, mention the lakes. Everything are there. Symbol of symbol. Cartography is nothing but symbol of symbol. So more data are there. But I need only Tamil Nadu lakes. I want only Tamil Nadu lakes. So you reduce the information. So you prepare Tamil Nadu lakes. Then prepare the Tamil Nadu map. Then you are fixed as Tamil Nadu lakes. How many lakes in Tamil Nadu? This is called the reduction and simplification of the information. Then remaining things, please omit. Don't want the remaining things. I want only my title. So Logeswar asks only the lakes in Tamil Nadu. Then Marishwari asks, don't want, sir, I want only the transport network in Andhra Pradesh. So please avoid physical features. All physical features you avoid. Only you concentrate the particular things. So this is called the generalization. 1:250,000 opposite information. How you converted to 1:50,000 or 1:10,000. Yes, depending upon your views. So 1:250,000 is not a clear map. It's unclear. But 1:10,000, 1:50,000 is a clear map. It shows everything. Right? Then what is the aims of generalization? First one is a structure. So structure is a very important. You prepare one map. What is the structure? Structure means outline. The map content is well structured. If you go to the prepare the maps, the structure is a very important. So what are the information you before prepare the map? You sit in one particular place. You think about in your mind. You ask the question to your mind. So my title Indian Railway Network Maps. So India Railway Network Maps, you collect data from Indian Railway Department. Then you are organized. More data are there. Okay, you are organized. How to draw the India outline map. Then how to fix the line maps. So railway department, there are three divisions classification of railway network. One is a broad gauge, then meter gauge, then narrow gauge. Yes, please, anyone tell me what is the width of the broad gauge? Broad gauge railway. Width for one to another. Yes, width one to another. What is the width of broad gauge railway? Anyone? Yes, are you clear? Don't sleep. I think anybody some sleep. Yes, N Priya.
Sir, is it it's 5 meters?
Yes, please open your face. If it is possible, that time only we are also watch because you are also watching my face.
Narrow gauge means 0.75 meter.
Narrow gauge 0.7.
5 meter.
0.75 meter. Okay, meter gauge.
Is it meter gauge? I don't know, but broad gauge 1 kilometer, sir.
Yes, meter gauge means exactly 1 meter. Okay, then broad gauge means 1.67 or 1.56. So this is the difference between. So narrow gauge railways, meter gauge means the answer is there 1 meter. Broad gauge means 1.65 width from one angle to another angle. Then narrow gauge 0.56 meter. Only the hill stations, right? So I collect the informations. So that time only the generalization. Yes, I want only heading is Indian Railway maps. So where the narrow gauge railway tracks are there, where the meter gauge railway tracks are there, where the broad gauge railways are there. Then number one, number two, the headquarters. How many zones are the railway zones are there? First you mark the railway zones. Then after that you connect yes from Mumbai to Nagpur, then Mumbai to Bangalore. Yes, this kind of maps. So how to source the variety level? This is called the generalization. But entire India is there, but don't want entire India map. I want only Indian railway maps. Please avoid river names, ocean, seas, everything. Please avoid. Right? So structure is a very important. The legend is a clear legend is important. Sometimes some authors, some geographers use everything is so good, but without legend. So legend, another name, key. So why I am saying legend is a very, very important. Why? Because legend or another name, key, K-E-Y key. Just to imagine, you are going to picnic tomorrow onwards. You are going to picnic for any hill stations. Then after that, you are forgot your key in the picnic places. Then what you do? You will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picnic. Then after that, you will go to the picni You enter your home without key. How you are open your home? So very difficult. So like that, in map, the legend is a major role. Legend or key. So I sometimes the exam point of view we are asked, write a few lines about key, K-E-Y key. That means, so key is one of the house open, key is helpful for open house like that, don't write. Key or another name legend. So key is nothing but map, legend, another name. These keys are helpful for analyze where the particular informations are there like that. Okay. Then generalization levels is nothing but the simplification of the informations. So generalization principles only simplify the informations. Essay writing, your essay writing is there in your school level. Rough draft, fair draft, summary writing, essay writing like that in school level in English. That time rough draft you are cut, then fair draft only you fix. So only the important information. So my age 40, okay, 40. Okay, write a few lines about Maslamni. Okay, Maslamni starting from his date of birth, then first year like this, second year like this, third year growth like this, like no need. He started journey from Coimbatore, then now he is working in Bharadas Institute. Yes, that is the simplification. Right? Yes. So similarly, in map also so much of symbols are there. More than 3,000, 4,000 symbols are there in toposheet. But if you want which one, if you require how many symbols, that is called the simplification. Then accuracy of the object. So accuracy is very important. Without accuracy, no use. So see the accuracy. This one okay, this one is okay, but without accuracy, no use. Yes, this accuracy, see. But compared to this one, this accuracy is the worst. Yes, this accuracy is the worst. Okay, right. So accuracy is very important. Then reality. The maps, one map is equal to 100-page book. This map is equal to 100-page book. You write the informations about any one place, Madhya Pradesh, okay, Madhya Pradesh, 100 pages it is possible. You write about Madhya Pradesh history. In Madhya Pradesh is headquarters Bhopal, then what are the information? Major rivers name, major lakes names, then who is the ruling party. You write so much information only for one state. Please think about other things. So one map is equal to 100 to 1000 page book. Okay, right. Yes, then accuracy, then legibility. So on map, it means the clarity first, then simplicity, then legibility. So you prepare the map, the clarity is important. Then simplicity, simple information. Simple means you give which one is required. Mountain is there means don't mark mountain picture fix here in your map. So how to show the simple format? So clarity, simplicity, and legibility. Legibility means the brightness. Uneducated people also think, oh, these are called map. That is called the legibility. How? Your photos. Please think about your photos. Clarity. You take the photos, passport size photos. You think you think your olden days, your photos. But now your photos. That time you are think, yes, on those days my age is only 1 or 2. That time I am very beautiful. But what about now you? Yes, you are think compared to that now I am very worst conditions. Like that somebody are thinking. So the clarity, then simplicity. Simple. Yes, my weight at that time, my age is a 5 or 10. My weight only the 17, 20 kg. But now my weight is a 100 or 120 like that. You are thinking. So where is the simplicity? So like that in map, clarity is a very important. Then simplicity and legibility. Legibility is, that means the beautiful, right? So this kind of information. So graphical representation of the objects a very neat way. Yes, this one best example. Yes. So clarity, simplicity, and legibility. So you see the clarity, so good conditions. Murugan, Mr. Murugan. Srinath. No. Yes, my sound is audible, Revant.
Sir, your sound is audible.
Audible.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yes, this kind of information, accuracy, clarity, simplicity, and legibility is very important. Next, we go to elements of map generalization. Generalization. So again, we are going to the generalization. What is the meaning of again generalization? What are the elements? So unwanted things, please avoid. So more informations are there. Unwanted things avoid. Only if you want which one, that one's required. That one is enough. So before that, we are classification. Yes, classification. Yes, you are faculty. Your course coordinator. So you have the 5 papers or 6 papers this semester. Yes, he classified. Yes. So morning session, urban geography, then physical geography 9 to 10, then 10 to 11. Then after that one break 10 minutes after that. So first to see, this is the generalization concept. So first he classified. 4 to 5 Maslamani class, okay, 3 to 4 Meenakshi class, then 2 to 3 class, like that. This is the classification. Similarly, you prepare the maps, that time they classify the informations. So how to classify? So more symbols are there in topo sheets. So how to classify? Yes, rivers are okay, river only. Mountains are mountains only. How many mountains in there in your topo sheets? How many lakes are there in your topo sheets? How many vegetation covers maps are there? How many reserved forests there? How many unreserved forests are there? Yes, you are classifying. If you are classifying, your problem will solve. Right? Right. So first one is a classification. If your classification is over, automatically simplify the informations. How you are simplify? How you are simplify? Only simple space only you are simplify. So classification. The process is over. Yes, classification automatically. Yes, that's all simplified. Just to think about the public exam. The public exam will start from morning 10 to 1. One exam is over. After that, half an hour break, second exam, 2 to 5. After that, half an hour break, 5:30 to 8:30. After that, half an hour break, 9 to 11:30. Then again, half an hour break, night 12 o'clock to morning 3 o'clock exam. Just to think, it's a very difficult. So that purpose only classifies 1 day, 1 exam. So that time the students are happy. If you give again 1 more day, leave, again very happy. So that is called the classification. Then classify, then simplify the information. How you are simplify? Only using the symbol space only you are simplifying. Then finally, exaggeration. Yes, very good exaggeration. The information. These are the major elements of map generalization. See, here what happened? Original map. How to simplify? Is original. But how to simplify the information? See, original map, this one. Here see this line is going, this one informations are there. Again, these informations are there. Yes, please see these bends. Yes, these bends are there. Here, this one is there. The thickness, see, but here only simple information. Then again, here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bends are there, but here see only 1, then 2. Right? Then again, see here how is there, here how they are showing. So this is called the simplification of the information. Simplify the information. Then again I am showing the map format how is the original map. So how to smooth? Smooth means the good condition. So our face morning, you get up morning early 5 o'clock. How your face? Please see your face in the mirror. Yes, yes, my color only like this, like that. But if you are go to job 9 o'clock, 9:30, again you are see your face, then you are putting powder, everything. That time the smoothness is a good. So like that in map also. Original maps are very difficult. Then original map, how to convert it to simplification purpose. That time is a good conditions, right? So again, how they are see here how the original map typification how they are using 1, 2, 3, 4 only the classify the information, right? Okay. Then come to statistical mapping. The statistical mapping is a very important in your first unit, statistical mapping. So is there first map scale, then generalization, then statistical map. So statistical and geography, statistical, there are two types only. One is a qualitative and another one is a quantitative. So qualitative means already I told without measurement. Quantitative means with the measurement. The statistical techniques we are used that time only is a quantitative maps. Qualitative means without measurement. Quantitative means with the measurement. So there are two differences are there. Data, statistical data. So what is the difference between data and information? Anyone? Data and information. Srinath. What is the difference between data and information? Anyone? Data and information. Anyone?
Could you please
Please.
repeat once again the question?
Data and information. What is the meaning of data? What is the meaning of information? How to differentiate data and
will
information?
have always a statistics.
Always
It
statistics.
will be
Okay,
expressing
information.
numbers, whereas information can be descriptive also.
Okay. So out of 2 marks, you score 1 mark. Again, I want 1 more mark. Anyone? Good.
Actually,
Data is a raw fact given,
It's a
sir.
raw-
From data, we can derive more number of information from the fact given to it. Even we can otherwise
Oh,
call data as fact. Collection of.
yes, good. Good. Yes. What's your name, sir?
My name is Rajarajan.
Okay, good. You are from which state? Tamil Nadu or Andhra?
I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, sir.
Good. Okay, so here see data and information is very simple. So data today temperature in Tiruchirappalli 44 degrees Celsius. Yesterday temperature 40 degrees Celsius. So yesterday information 40, today information 42 degree. So compared to yesterday, today temperature 2 degree increases. This is called information. Okay, but similarly today, what is the condition? Yesterday, heavy rain in Coimbatore. But what about Chennai? No rain in yesterday. So yesterday, heavy rain. But Coimbatore, but Chennai, no rain. Right? So is the data daily information? It's a data. But daily information you interpret in January month temperature last year and the year 2021, January month average temperature 41 degrees Celsius. Then 2022, same January, 44 degrees Celsius. So compared to last year, this year temperature level increases. This is called information. So this is called data and information. So in this field, statistical mapping is a cartographer. It's a major role preparing the maps. How to prepare the maps? Only the data based only you are preparing map. Without data, no. Geographers work zero without data. So statistical information is a major role for preparing the maps. So in these statistical map, there are two varieties I already told, qualitative then quantitative. So qualitative map and quantitative maps. So qualitative means without measurement, quantitative means with measurement, exact information, right? So here you see enumerations. What is the meaning of enumeration? So here a complete ordered quantitative listing of all spatial data. What is the meaning of spatial data? Overall the Earth surface, what are the informations are there? That is called the spatial data. Yes, I am seeing the university outside. What are the informations are there? Spatially, I am counting. How many trees are there? I am counting 500 trees are there in geography department surrounding Vardas Institute. Okay, 500 trees. I record the information. That is called the spatial data. Data, spatial and temporal data, sir. Temporal means again, you compare this year, then after 5 years, you compare same Bharadas University Geography Department. Now 500 trees are there. After 10 years, you come and see 500 converted to 700 means okay. Yes, compared to the year 2022, the year 2027, 200 trees increase in Bharadas University. This purpose only, the data is helpful. Here see this information. How we are showing the information. Enumerate type, unit 1 type, then unit 2 type, then 3 types of statistical enumeration data are there. How we are showing? Based upon our perception, our views. The creative mind is different from person to person. Yes, is my creative mind. Then another one creative mind, Srinath creative mind like this. The last few minutes back, one person told that person like this. So based upon creative mind is different from person to person. Like the remote sensing process, spectral signature is different from object to object. The spectral signature, how to define spectral signature, so object to object is different. Our signature is different from person to person. Similarly, the creative mind also different from person to person. Yes, is one type of enumeration data. Number 2, yes, here you see like how they are showing like this one line. Then putting dot 1, 2. Yes, some points are marking. Then number 2, horizontal ways. Then here you see hexagonal ways, triangular shaped ways also using the points. So these are all the some groups. So data observation stands independent and can be quantified and collected to larger groups. So our convenient only we are using different varieties. Then come to normalization. So normalization is another one example. See, this one informations is the normal informations. So how the normal information go to visual? There are two varieties: statistical normalization and visual normalizations are there. The normalization. So normally you are seeing the information. That's called. So statistical normalization and visual normalization. So statistical normalizations. This one 500, 1000, then 400. So persons per square kilometer. 500 persons are okay. Within per square kilometer, 500 people are there. The same square kilometer, thousands people are there. Then same areas, 400 persons are there. See total number of persons. So total number of persons, see 1000, 1500, then 1900. So totally this much total population, this much is there. But if there 1000 is a huge number, so we are with the red colors. Then how to divide the groups based on scales? Number one. Number two, see population density per square miles. How they are showing? Yes, 1000, okay, 1000. 3600, yes, you are going the density red colors. Here see the biggest number 1000, so red color. Again here see 2000 persons per square kilometer, 1000 person per square kilometer. But see the small area 3600 persons per square kilometer means yes, go to red color. So this the visually you are seeing within 1 second, 2 seconds. I am saying yes, where is red color? Yes, here is a danger. Red always is a danger. So government concentrate wherever is the red dot, government concentrate. The red color indicate temperature. We are always shows the red colors because a very danger. Tsunami, we are showing the tsunami crossing areas where yes, we are marking the red color because the dangers. Right? Similarly, here 3600 persons per square kilometer. Yes, it's a very difficult. You put on bomb 3600 people, definitely they died. But you fix bomb here, 1000 people, okay. Only the 500 people only died. Remaining 500 people are escaped. Right? So this is the information. Then classification. So how to classify? How to classify the information? So based upon scale, the choropleth is nothing but the color variation, the density variation. Here, sorry. Please 1 minute. Sorry. So symbols, yes, up to this means for what? Then if size level increases, what? Then size level increases, big size. This is called the classification. 400 to 500, then 300 to 400, 100 to 200, like that you are giving the classification. This is the classification information, right? Then come to projections. Map projection. So projection is nothing but a mathematical method systematically transforming a 3D earth into 2D format. We are seeing the 3D information, but how 3D converted to the 2D? 2D means the map paper format. Yes, you are seeing the maps in our department. You are seeing here also map. How to go to the 2D format? There are three types of projection. One is a conical projection, cylindrical projection, then azimuthal projections. How the projection is helpful? We are identify distance from one place to another place. Whether where you are travel, please see if you are travel from India to Washington, without a map, you can't move your particular place. Go to Washington, then all are using the mobile app or including car driver also. Where you are going, sir? Yes, please take it. Yes, please fix the GPS. Yes, they are going. If you are go the wrong place, they give alert. Yes, sir, you are going wrong place, 5 kilometers. Please go left, again turn right. Like that, they guide to you. So these purpose projections role is a very important. The projections shape, size, then direction, and distance based they are classifying. So see the globe like this only. Globe to flat surface. How the flat surface come to original types? Number one is the conical projection. So for example, cone ice cream is there. So in the cone ice cream, yes, like this. So cone, then globe. If you have globe, I will fix the globe. So only where they are touch the globes. See where they are touching these areas only. touching. Then how these areas you show in the map format. They can't touch in the North Pole and South Pole. Only see this type of projection use conic surface to touch the globe when light is cast. Where they are touching that places only fan shape you are converted. Right? Okay. So what is the cone? So you fix the globe here. Then where they are touching, then after that cone converted to flat surface, you prepare the maps. Right? Then here type central conical projection like this. I will circulate to the notes to you. Please take it. Then conical projection different. Next one come to polygonic projection. So these projection, how they are helpful. Then come to cylindrical projection. The cylinder format. Cylinder in your home, cylinders are there. Like these cylinders. Cylinder, our house cylinder format. Yes, cylinder. Then you fix the globe here. So where the cylinder areas, the latitudes, longitudes are touching. Latitude parallel line where they are touching. That part only you are exaggerating. Right? Preparing the map. So here you see they are touching only this area to this area. Only two areas only they are touching. Then the two area information out to your mark. Okay. Then this belt, okay, this belt also. This belt also they are touching. But this belt, there is no place. Okay, up to this, okay, these areas. You can mark the cylindrical projection. Then what is the properties and uses of cylindrical projection? They are shows Africa and South America. Africa, yes, and South America. Then North America also they are showing the cylindrical projection. Okay, including, so please listen. In your projection, they are give the assignment to you, then PPTs also, then study materials also there. Each projection, what is the properties and uses is a very important for your competitive exam point of view. But now the time is very limited, so I will skip. Right? Then cylindrical equilibrium projections, again the space decreases towards the poles. Then again the properties and uses. Then Mercator projection is a very, very comfortable projection. You shows the this projection is used for only the sea route analysis. So very useful for Mercator projections. Navigation purpose they are using. Then come to another azimuthal or zenithal projection. How the zenithal projection used only the North Pole and South Pole. We are shows the North Pole and South Pole areas. Right? The mnemonic projection, different polar regions areas. We shows the this projection, stereographic projection, then orthographic projection, UTM. So UTM is a very important. So at present, they are all are using only universally transfer Mercator projections only using. So including the grid format, we are analysis. Yes, these areas, what is there? These areas, what is there? This called grid-based UTM projection, universal transfer Mercator projection. Then Malvoid projection. Malvoid projection is nothing but the watermelon. See the watermelon size format. Best example, now the summer season, all are using watermelon. So Malvoid projection is nothing but looks like our watermelon. You draw the maps in the watermelon. You are identify yes, latitude, longitude, everything. So where our India is there, where the China is there, everything you can mark. So okay, right. Then what is the properties and the uses of the then sinusoidal projections. Then the properties and uses. Okay. So this is the projection, then projection properties and uses. Please keep in your mind. So projection is a very important for your future studies. Any competitive exam you are writing UPSC or TNPSC exams, which projection is suitable for South Africa and Australia, like that they are asked. So if you have, I think, study material, please read thoroughly. That time only it's a very helpful. So I conclude this slide. I thank again once again Dr. Cartography sir giving the opportunity to me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You've taken more than an hour.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very, very nice class, sir. Again,
Thank
we
you,
will
sir.
meet
Thank you.
tomorrow.